Hi everyone, today we are reviewing one LED bag. So this is the LED bag. So today we will review this how this LED bag looks very good and how it's work, which application we need to download and where you can buy this LED bag. So this is coming into the LED. So let's start about this bag. So this is the LED bag and this is the menu. This will come. So this is the menu. So we have to download the Loy Space app. So first you have to download this, and after that, the scan code is also given by the this bag, and you can scan this code, and they will be show how to install the application, how to display this uh, different we have the looks in the bag, so we can change how we can change. So I already downloaded this app. This is called the Loy Space. So this is the app, the Loy Space, and this is looks like. So first I'm viewing the this space. So you can see this is the brightness and everything. So this is the brightness. So you can see this bars. So this is the brightness. So if I can dim this, you can see if I'm dim, the light will be dim for the back. If I increase, so is increasing the lighting of the bar, and you can change. So we have a different like this. The full display, the display is very good. You can show like a different screens, like you lost this ice menu. uh, many many displays are available. So this is the download. So in this you can see this is the many GIF already available. So you can download from the Loy Space, and you can see this is the ice. This is very common nowadays. In the bikers have these bags. It's very famous nowadays. The people are using ice bag like this. So this is looks like a different ice. So first what we need to do, we need to connect with the this is the up. We have the connectivity sign here. So first you need to connect. So this is my application name, so I connected. After that, what we need to do, we need to go into the this downloads option. So this is the download option. Whenever you go in this one, so it will be take a little bit time to download all the GIFs and everything. So the first option, it will be show that nearest, means what is sorry, newest. So what is the new they have developed? The Loy Space is adding very frequently. They are adding many GIFs. Like if you're playing a Mario, okay, I think everyone know about Mario. So this is the Mario one. So this is the Mario. You can see is working here. And this is, so it's very cool bag, because anyone can will see, and they can first look is very good. Also the download, we have a driver, we have ice, we have a motorcycle options. Many options are available in this. So let's explore. And also if let's suppose if you want to loop this, so I want to change in the menu. Let's suppose I want to change like this Goku, Dragon Ball Z. This is changing. So this is the dragon one. This is the kid. So we can create a loop. So automatically they will be changed after some time. No, they will be changing. Like this is changing. So after this some time, it will be changed after that loop. So you can play a loop. Also the upload option is there. This is very good option for upload. So you can upload any image here, and that image will be play. Now you can see the screen is automatically changing. So this is and also you can upload the GIF image or any word letters you want to display. So this is also good for the business. If you're doing a business, you can promote your business with the bag. So that is also the one of the good idea. And also we have a free type. So here you can write. So this is also a good option for write, and you can write anything. Let's suppose I'm writing Sharma ji. Okay. So this is I'm writing like Sharma ji, and now let's done. Send to device. Now I send it to device. Now you can see this is showing you opposite Sharma ji. Okay, you can write your custom also. So I think this bag is worth it, and it's coming around €50 in the island. And if you're buying in the India, it's around 5,000 or around 6,000. So this is very cool bag, and I think nowadays, if you need some the cool bag and you we want to everyone will be notice your bag, so you can use this. Or also if you want to promote your business and you want to give some advertisements, so also you can use this. So like this is all about this Loy Space bag. So Loy Space is very good application and is very reliable. This is a waterproof bag. Also, you can see this is the uh, one of the uh, good. This is the plastic. I can say this is the good plastic, and the quality of the bag is also good. If bag is 5,000 and the quality is good, so I think its display is also it's good. Good pixels are there, but the quality of bag is also they given the very good. And this is a waterproof bag. In the below also the hard you can say the hardest and the chain is also very good. And the in the back also they given some cushions. See the cushions, and also the one hidden pocket in the back. So this is a hidden pocket, you can put something. And this is everything is waterproof, because I tried this bag in the rain. In the island is so much rain. So but I tried this in the rain. Rain is in the rain is also working, it's very good. So I think everyone should try this one bag, Loy Space bag, and I will give that link in the caption in the video. You can go and you can buy this app, this bag from there, and it is also coming with the warranty. So I think 1 year warranty they are giving for the LED and the back. So LED display, because you know the LED display is not going anywhere. This is if you're putting in the water or something, this is not will be go, because LED display will be work everywhere. So LED is very reliable nowadays. So this LED is I think this LED bag is worth it. And it's very cool to use and very easy to use this. So I think everyone should try this. I think if it is in 5,000 or 6,000, this is worth of it for this pack. So thank you guys. This is all for this video. This is video for the one of the review of the LED bag. Also, I you can if you want to buy this bag, you can go into the description and you can buy. Thank you guys.